All right, so we have an equation where we have to solve for x. So let us simplify what we can and move things around and try to figure out what it is equal to. So if you take a look at the numerators here, we basically have x to the third power. We have x being multiplied by itself 3 times. So we can rewrite that as x to the third power. Remember, when you're multiplying bases that are the same, you add their exponents, and all of these are to the first power. So that gives us x to the third power. Now, on the bottom, we're actually adding three x's together. And the coefficient of each one of these x's is 1. So we just add those coefficients, and that would be 3x. Now, we're going to set that equal to x. We're just sliding that x down. All right, what we're going to do now is move this denominator of 3x over to the other side. And whenever you are dividing by a denominator, you multiply by that same denominator as a numerator. Basically, it's like 3x over 1, and that allows you to cancel out those terms. Now, what we're going to do on the other side is multiply this by 3x. So what that gives us is 3x times x, which is x to the second power. And over here, what we have remaining is x to the third power. Now what I'm going to do is this. I'm going to take this x to the second power and divide it by itself. So those two pieces will cancel each other out. X squared divided by x squared is 1. And of course, 1 times 3 is 3. So the 3 stays on this side. We're going to take x to the third power and balance our equation by dividing by x to the second power. Now, whenever you're dividing bases that are the same, you just subtract the exponent. So we take 3 minus 2, which is 1. So that leaves us with x to the first power, or just x, is equal to 3. So we have figured out what x is equal to.